Hi and welcome to another video. So today I am going to teach you how to use Soundpad on Discord. So to use Soundpad with Discord, you can follow these steps. So first, you need to download and install Soundpad. So visit the Soundpad website. It is www.soundpad.de and download the software. So follow the installation instructions to install it on your computer. Next is to configure SoundPad as the default playback device. So open the sound settings on your computer by right-clicking on the speaker icon in the taskbar and selecting the open sound settings or playback devices. Okay, so in the sound settings, set SoundPad as the default playback device. Next is to open Discord. So you need to launch the Discord application on your computer and log in to your account. Next is to configure SoundPad as the input device in Discord. So in Discord, click the gear icon to open user settings and then go to the voice and video section and under input device, select SoundPad as the input device. So this allows Discord to pick up audio from the SoundPad. So next is to set up SoundPad soundboard. So open the Soundpad application. You will see a list of sound files or soundboards on the left side. So you can create your own soundboard or import sound files to use. So to import files, sorry, just click on add sound or drag and drop audio files into the Soundpad. Next is to configure hotkeys in Soundpad. So set up hotkeys to play specific sounds in Soundpad. Just right-click on the sound file or soundboard and select Set Hotkey. So assign a key combination to the sound such as Control 1 or Control 2, etc. So you can customize the hotkeys according to your preference. So next is to start a call or join a voice channel in Discord. So join a voice channel in Discord or start a video call with other participants. Next is to use Soundpad in Discord. So while in the voice call or voice channel, press the assigned hotkey for a sound in Soundpad to play it. So the sound will be transmitted to the voice call or channel, allowing others to hear it. So remember to use Soundpad as its sound effects responsibly sound effects responsibly and considerate of others in your voice chat or channel. Excessive or disruptive use of sound effects may disrupt conversations and annoy other users. So use the Soundpad responsibly. So that is all for today. And I hope you liked the video and subscribe to the channel. And make sure to click the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. So that is all for today's video. And thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.